Ik zit hier bij het labyrint en daar zit ik zo in. Vaststelling heet Get Lost. Ik hoop hier net dat het tijd wordt verroerd. Dus Got Lost, want dan kom ik er net meer uit. Dat is zo'n probleem wezen. Ik zal even naar elkaar zetten, daar ben je mijn eigen labyrintse ritsma.
Ja, wat gaan we
Jo.
vieren?
Roger Hammond, Get Lost.
Nou, dit is gevaarlijk. Er leidt je van alles, er komt van alles uit de loft van. Hier, ik weet net wat er al hier westhouden, maar Piet Paulus maar leidt direct al.
Hello, I'm Father. I'm very pleased to meet you. And this is my wife, Mother.
Hello, I am Mother. And this is my daughter, Jane.
Hello, I am Jane. It's lovely to meet you. I'm the prettiest girl in my school. You must meet my brother Peter.
Hello, I'm Peter. What's your name? It's nice to meet you. Have you come to join us? We are having a picnic.
Yes.
Are you...
Red jam.
Wouldn't that be nice? Can I have one?
How do we ask for a jammy roll?
Please, mother, can I have...
Please may I have a jammy roll, Mother?
Please, can I have a jammy roll, mother?
Yes, what a good little boy you
You're
are.
very polite. Very polite.
There we go. Eat up.
Red jam.
The jam is red.
Would you like another?
No, thank you.
Yes, you must have another
Simply
one.
must.
Here you are.
Simply must.
And another. And another.
Open up.
This is not Get Lost, this is Get
Don't speak with your mouth full.
What a messy little boy.
Very messy.
You must ever speak with your mouth again. Naughty, naughty, naughty boy. Yes, there you are. Are you sorry?
I'm very sorry.
Have you learned your lesson? Yes.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Are you happy now?
Are you happy now? Yes, but not as happy as us with our red rosy cheeks.
Yes.
All right. Would you like red rosy cheeks?
I should
Here you go.
Yes.
Yes, there you are.
Much better.
Big
Yes.
red rosy cheeks.
How happy
What
you
a
are.
happy boy you are.
Now I'm really happy.
Yes.
I'll
This
be
is-
goodbye.
Is nice.
This is
Goodbye.
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 Bye.
Don't forget
Bye.
to write.